Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in today's video, I'll show you how to update your system app on your Google TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to bring out your remote controller and make sure you navigate to setting on your Google TV. On getting to settings right there, go ahead and hit on OK. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to system right here. Go ahead and click on system. And the next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on about. Now you are here. Under the system update, go ahead and click on it. Checking for update. In a few seconds, it's going to give you the last successful check for update is this particular time. So click on check for update, and in a few seconds, your Google TV become more up to date. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.